Hey, I'm here with Steven, and we've got another tip for designing a BI system that people will actually use.
This tip is covering having clean data and presenting clean data. Everyone has systems that they run a report off of and show metrics off of to their people, but they never have data in the right way or the right format, or people use it differently.
Oh man, that's the truth. And everyone always says, "Oh yeah, the data's not a problem. I'm recording it. We've been collecting it. It's perfect. All you got to do is report on it, right?"
All the time. Yeah, we'll sit down and they'll give us a metric, or we'll determine a metric in working with them, and then we'll get the underlying data for it and present it and say, "Hey, can you validate this?" And they'll say, "Oh, wait, this number's wrong because I have that handshake deal with Jim, or this one's wrong because for Janet we only charge every other week." And those are the kind of business rules or the kind of data cleanup that needs to happen before you can actually make a good decision with your data.
Right, right. We're not saying that it's something that we should be ashamed of. It's just if you don't
No.
use data, of course it's not going to be clean. It's not going to be in the
Mhm.
format that you need if you're not looking at it. So I think that's probably our first tip is you got to start somewhere and you got to start looking at it or else it'll never be clean.